In the heart of the Philippines, 60 years ago, a commitment to kindness and compassion was born. Ito ang kwento ng Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated. Sa pamamagitan ng Binibining Pilipinas, marami sa mga pinakanangangailangan ang natulungan. At ang puso ng lahat ng ito, si Ginang Stella Marquez Araneta.
I did Binibining Filipinas Charity, so it's an institution. And I am very proud to say that we have done very well. We have helped with whatever means we get every year.
Isa sa paboritong beneficiary ng BPCI ay ang Operation Smile, na binago ang buhay ng daan-daang batang pinanganak na may cleft lip at cleft palate. Nandito tayo sa Santa Ana Hospital para kumustahin ang mga pasyenteng natulungan ng BPCI.
Sobrang laking tulong po kasi mas marami pong tao nakaka-infect sa akin. Sobrang mahal po kasi ng operation po kung gano'n. Dito po kasi libre po yung operation.
Managtuloy-tuloy na po yung operation ko hanggang sa naging ganito na po yung itsura ko. Mas magaan po kasi mas nakakapagsalita po na maayos.
Hindi na po ako binubulit. Nagpapasalamat din po ako na naoperahan po kami. Tas sana din po marami po silang matulungan na kagaya namin.
How many patients na po ba yung natulungan ng Operation Smile at BPCI?
Well, the usual statistics surgically, what we have done surgically, whether it's a cleft lip, cleft palate, runs to about 100, 160 per year since 2011 when we started.
This year, BPCI's journey continues with renewed commitments and the introduction of new partnerships. Naging masaya at successful ang taunang Fiesta Carnival Charity Day kasama ng mga bata mula sa Child Hope Philippines. As BPCI celebrates its 60 years of dedicated service, we are deeply honored to announce a meaningful new partnership with World Vision. This was marked by the Binibini's recent visits in World Vision-assisted communities in Malabon and Quezon City. At para mas marami pa silang matulungan ng mga kabataan, BPCI will donate 1 million pesos to World Vision na magpapalawak pa ng kanilang mga programa at serbisyo. This donation is more than just a gift. It is a promise to uphold a tradition of empathy and service. Together, we will continue to spread the beauty of peace, love, and hope, now and ever after.